Welcome to Resurgence, the UK's first double-rebated PVCU timber alternative window, redesigned for the 21st century. Featuring the charm of a traditional timber window, but with all the added benefits of modern energy efficiency, the Resurgence system from Liniar is a game-changer for flush, sleek window design. Whether your property is traditional or modern, award-winning Resurgence windows are the perfect solution. Here are 7 reasons why you should choose Resurgence windows. Offering much more than just a beautiful design, Resurgence will help to prevent the transfer of heat through your windows. A double-rebated sash provides unparalleled draft and weatherproofing, and with a choice of double or triple glazing, Resurgence windows will help to keep your energy bills down. Designed, tested and certified to meet the highest standards of security, Resurgence windows have achieved BSI security, Pass 24 and Secured by Design accreditations, meaning your home will remain a safe haven. Give your property personality. From classic white to agate grey, Resurgence is available in a wide choice of colours and wood grain effect finishes, which can look as authentic as real wood. The colours also match perfectly with Liniar's doors and roofs, all of which results in a beautiful installation. Spend less time on maintenance. Resurgence windows won't rot or warp and don't need regular treating or repainting. Guaranteed for a minimum of 10 years, they just need an occasional clean with soapy water to keep them looking their best. Resurgence windows are fitted and glazed in exactly the same way as standard Liniar casement windows. They also include the same patented features and Liniar glazing platforms for better drainage and added strength. Complete the appearance of your property with fully matching alumina or modlock doors for a sleek, flush, beautifully foiled installation. From Georgian bars to monkey tail handles, you can personalize Resurgence windows with a variety of handles, hinges and accessories. The choice is yours. The future of window technology is here today. Choose Resurgence. You can find your nearest Resurgence stockist at linear.co.uk/stockists.